everyone, so this is Yamini Gawa and thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel and thank you for your support. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you $50 per day side hustle. You can even make more or less, okay, because this is a side hustle. So yeah, but it's a very easy side hustle. We only require few minutes of you to set this up and it's a very easy work. Okay, but yeah, it can take some time for the orders as well, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you step by step that how you can do it. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, comment and share, and if you have any suggestion, just comment below. Okay, so yeah, so without wasting time, let's go ahead and I'll show you step by step how to do this side hustle. Okay, let's go. Hello everyone, so let's start how we can actually start this side hustle on Fiverr. Okay, so here you'll come to remove.bg, okay, and you'll come to this platform. So once you click on upload picture and just choose any picture, I'm using this picture. So once you choose this picture, you will see that it will automatically remove the background of the picture. Okay, so you will see the background is removed. Very easy, very simple. Now I'll show you how people are making money on Fiverr with this gig. Okay, so for example, you see so many people over here, they are charging people to remove the background of picture, which is very easy. Okay, so it's very easy. I showed you how to do it. Okay, so there are few more things you can do with that software as well. So now how do we post a gig? Okay, we'll click on this and we'll see what other people are selling and what other people are giving in their gigs, and that's how we take an idea. Okay, so now once you see this is our account, like this gig is opened, all right, you just click on switch to selling mode. Okay, and you will see this dashboard. Okay, so once you come here, you will see new gig. Okay, so click on creating a new gig and you will see title. So in title you will add this, okay, this area in title, and if you see here graphic design, and you can choose here other, and you can add few tags like that, bg remove and background removal. So you just type anything, okay, it will come up like this. Okay, so once you click save and continue, okay, so you will go to pricing section. So you will choose your packages, so basic, standard, premium, 3 packages you can choose. So you can give delivery days like in 1 day, and you can write the description of your product here, and also choose the price, like whatever price you want to choose. Okay, so and how many like licensed images you want to give in what price. So yeah, that's how you can choose this, and you just click on next then, and in description you will write this area. So this is a description. If you don't know how to write description, you can ask ChatGPT and take this one and tell them, like they can rephrase it for you. Okay, and after that, requirements. Okay, so you can tell them what are the requirements. Okay, this is a question, like you click here, you will see what you need from them. Okay, you just have to write that, and after you do that, you go to gallery. So in gallery you will add up to 3 pictures of your work. Okay, like this gig have added. All right, and then once you add that, that's it. So that's it. It's a time to publish now. Okay, so that's how a simple gig is published. You can do small task on Fiverr which you don't require much experience. Okay, for example, you can do graphic designing, like little bit of things, like making thumbnails, these kind of tiny things you can do, and there are a lot of people who are doing it. Okay, you will see there are a lot of people from India, Pakistan, and different countries, they are doing it. Okay, so that's how you can do this gig, bg remove. Okay, you can note this website remove.bg, and here you can do so many other things. Okay, like blur, you can do background blur, you can do add shadow. Okay, so there are so many things, like erase, you can just erase something. For example, we'll say like this. Okay, yeah, like this you can like just erase. Okay, you can just leave the face. So yeah, like that you can do so many things here. Okay, yeah, it's very easy. There are so many things, and you can see there are features. There are more features as well. So it's very easy. Okay, it just you have to take some action. Okay, I look so bad like this. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, you can just go back, redo it. You don't have to just do it everything. Yeah, it's so good. So like that you can start your side hustle. Okay, so if you find this video useful, you can share it with your friends, and you can comment below if you need any help. And yeah, if you like this video, just subscribe the channel, because I'm gonna share every week new videos so that you guys can earn some side income. Okay, and I also teach affiliate marketing, where we sell third parties product through Facebook ads and free traffic strategies. So if you are keen to learn that, you're most welcome inside the training. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you. So thank you so much again for watching the video.